Hey there, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Labor Hub. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap in there. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's type in Labor Hub login and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And there you go, you'll be greeted with the login page. All you gotta do is tap in your credentials. Let's type in our email. And your password. That's it. If you forgot to know your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap in that option that says forgot password, and you'll be guided with that. And all you gotta do is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your Labor Hub. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries regarding this video, please do not hesitate, feel free and comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. And also, you know the drill, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful tutorials like this. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.